In this video, we will see how to solve this question that involves differentiation with tangents and normals concept. A curve's equation is given. Point P on the curve has an x coordinate equal to 2. We have to show that the equation of the tangent at the point P is 1 minus 2x. Now, tangent is ultimately a line. Any equation that we know of should be of the form y equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. If we know these two, we can coin the equation of any line. So to find the gradient of the tangent, we do not have points or sketch. So we have to go with differentiation since the equation of the curve is given. When we do dy by dx, 9 is a constant. So x bar minus 1, when you make it, you will get this. This is an expression for dy by dx. Now we need to find out the gradient at P, where x is 2. So it will be, so minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So m is minus 2. To find the y-intercept, we need to know at least one set of points that the line passes through. It says the tangent is at P and P's x-coordinate is given to be 2. So to find out the y-coordinate, let us substitute in the equation of the curve itself. So 9 minus 8 minus 4, 9 minus 12 is minus 3. So the point P is 2 comma minus 3. Now tangent has gradient of minus 2 and passes through 2 comma minus 3. When we substitute sort of y this, instead of m this, x, c becomes the unknown. C becomes 4 minus 3, which is 1. Now y is mx plus c, which we have proved here. Find equation of the normal to C at the point. This is B. Now normal is a line which by definition is perpendicular to the tangent. And it is common knowledge that the gradient of two perpendicular lines, they always multiply to minus 1. So if tangent has a gradient of minus 2, the normal's gradient should be the negative reciprocal, which is half. So now again, in y equal to mx plus c, we know m is half. It is again at 2 comma minus 3. So substituting minus 3 equal to half into 2 plus c implies c is minus 4. So y equal to half x minus 4 is the equation of the normal. The final part, we are asked to find area of a triangle APB. P we already know. We have to find A and B from the information given below. Tangent meets the x-axis at A. So tangent is tangent y equal to 1 minus 2x meets the x-axis at A. So we know that x-axis means y coordinate has to be 0. In doing so, we get x is half. So which means A's coordinates are half comma 0. And the normal meets the x-axis at B. Normal's equation is this. This meets x-axis at B. So we get, then we equate this to 0. Half x minus 4 is 0. This implies x is 8. So the coordinates of B are 8 comma 0. So if you look at it, half comma 0 is somewhere here. 8 comma 0 is somewhere here. And the point P, 2 comma minus 3 should be somewhere here. So the triangle looks something like this. The significance of A and B being on the same line are that it is perpendicular. So, now when we do area of triangle, half into base, half to 8 is a 7.5, 15 by 2. The height is 3 below. So, we get 45 by 4 units square. This should be the area. Hope that was helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.